Hey travelers! As promised in our last video, we'd like to introduce you to a nice accommodation in Key West.
It's called Courtney's Place, a charming little bed and breakfast in the heart of Key West.
We will tell you more about the central location later.
First, we would like to introduce you to the facility.
Although we are in the middle of the city, Courtney's Place is a true oasis of peace and tranquility, where you can relax and unwind from the hustle and bustle of the vibrant city at any time.
Just relax in the pool or on the sunbeds. Now, let's check out the rooms.
Our King Suite on level 2 is only accessible via stairs. It features a kitchenette,
A sofa bed and 2 single beds in the living area.
the bathroom is functionally furnished.
It is directly accessible from both rooms. The private bedroom has an extra large double bed.
Cable TV is also available.
The rooms are functional and charming. From one of the 2 patios that belong to the cottage, you have a view of the breakfast area. The breakfast buffet offers something for everyone. Courtney's Place provides a lot of information for exciting discoveries in the neighborhood. If you want, you can also rent a bike. Your car can be left in the hotel's own parking lot. You won't need it during your stay.
Because one of the biggest plus points of Courtney's Place is the location.
Located in the heart of Key West, almost every point of interest will be within walking distance.
Mallory Square, for example, is less than a mile away.
You can do that in 20 minutes.
But the distance is no problemo at all, because you walk along the famous Duval Street.
Also, mile marker 0 is only half a mile away. In 10 minutes you will be there.
Down to Straw Hat Beach, it's 1.1 miles, 25 minutes on foot.
By the way, if you want to know more about all these great places, watch our 2-day itinerary to Key West. It's best to subscribe to our channel and watch our other Florida videos.